Hey, can you not stop sneezing? Then try stop sneezing. What do I do with it? You just open it and drink it. Here. Side effects include dry mouth, more sneezing, heart attacks, death, and cancer. If you use stop sneezing, you may contract the Zika virus. And if you're pregnant or getting a vaccination or have just received a vaccination, talk to your doctor before you take stop sneezing.